Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight, two boxes. There you see them. Rookie Anthology. Box break number 97. And the last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets. I can't really see that, but I think it's 1858. Eastern time. And if I can find my mouse, we can go to the eBay time. eBay time is 17:15 Pacific, 20:15 Eastern, and of course 21:15 Atlantic time. Alrighty. Good. Here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Welcome everyone. There's lots of regulars and there's a few newbies. Newbies to me, not to the system. I know you know what you're doing. Alrighty. One thing I might ask people to do, when you win your teams, can you combine them and pay for them all at once? Just makes it so much easier to find things. You gotta flip around through and so on. If they're all put together and combined, it just makes it so much easier. There you go. Two box break, number 97. Serial numbers ending with 2630 and 1073. And Mark Watson, you're welcome. My pleasure. Here you go. 1073 and 2630. So, without further ado, and please note that base cards are not shipped with, Jesus, with this, what the hell's in there, rat shit, ink. If you want your bases, just let me know. If you have a hit, I would most certainly include them in your package. If not, then I would request that small fee for shipping. Okay, so here we go. Good luck, everybody. And as some people have noticed, I tend to miss a few cards here and there, put them in my base pile. That's not a problem because I always go back through my base piles. Start off with our Muldoon 44. Rory, you got Jordan Schroeder for the Vancouver Canucks, and that is your rookie selection, aka rookie 201 out of 249. What they used to be called, rookie, oh Christ, something or other. There, my head ain't with me. My head isn't with me tonight, that's okay. We got a hot rookies for Buffalo. Buffalo tonight is Animal 88. Welcome, Animal. Nikita Zadorov for Buffalo. And for KCJ99, we've got Matt Nito, Prism rookie for the Sharks. Man, some awful thin packs. I don't see a thickie amongst them. Well, that one's a little bit thick, but just because they're not thick doesn't mean anything. Still get some really good hits. Hot rookies for Dallas. Kevin Connaughton. Dallas is, where'd Dallas go? Lonely Mad. There you go. Lonely Mad. Base and base. Hot rookies, gold border. Danny DeKaiser. for the Red Wings, and that's Hockeytown champs. Welcome back and congratulations. And to base. I think that's this is one of the two thickest ones. It's not very thick. It's only spacer thick. Whoop, wrong pile. See? Wrong pile. Base. Jonathan Riot. Nice. Prism. Black rookie. Auto. For the Panthers. Panthers tonight. ST Muir. Congratulations, Steve. That's a very nice card. And we've got Hot Rookies, Matt Nito again for the Sharks. And for the Islanders, Wiki 2011. Wiki's been paying attention. For the Islanders, Ryan Strome, Luxury Suite. Rookie card, 95 out of 99. Base. 4 packs to go. And for the Blackhawks and Duckfoot, we got a rookie select. Kent Simpson. That's not numbered. And we've got a rookie for Toronto. That's Wiki again. Josh Levio, whatever yo. E-I-E-I-O. And for the Islanders again, rookie gear. Rookie treasures, that's what I was trying to think of, that other card. Only took me this long. 2 packs to go. Let's leave that one. I don't know why everybody does that. Let's leave that one to last. It's a little thicker. I say we should just get them right out of the way. Hot rookie, Matt Dumba. For Minnesota, and that's Surishu. Welcome, Surishu. I can't say your name, but welcome anyway. And we've got our select rookies. Araya Haynes for the Sharks. Very nice. Last pack, first box. And it's spacer thick. We've got hot rookies, Ryan Murphy for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and that's puck stops here. And nice score auto. We've got Gustav Nyquist for the Hockeytown champs and the Detroit Red Wings. And that'll do it for box number 1. So, look at that. Serial number never changed. Funny thing how that happened. I'm just going to move that stuff right up there, and we'll just have a new space for our new box. There's your difference right there. And of course I'm going to stick some of those on the bottom. Not all, just some. Like I was telling everybody in my last break, last time I broke this, I think I was saying that the boys at Top Notch Breaks came through and pulled me a 101 of Riley Smith. Much appreciated, guys. Hot rookies, Alex Petrovic for the Florida Panthers. Base and base. Yeah, pretty sweet card. It was like a black cracked ice or something like that. 101 though, I'll take it. Some nice stuff in these boxes. There's some stuff that's not quite so nice, but you know, that's the way it is with everything. Jonathan Bernier. That's just a base. Sorry. If you want them, let me know. For the Buffalo Sabres, Jamie Tardif. Prism rookie. That goes to Buffalo. Oh, got a nice card coming here. For the Flames and Hard Feelings, we've got a rookie anthology base, gold, Yuri Herdler. 42 out of 100. Congratulations. Here's a thick one. Don't worry, we got a thick one for you. We got a fatty. We'll do it upside down mostly. Hot rookies, Chris Brown for the Washington Capitals. There you go, Mark Watson. Congratulations. For Hard Feelings and the Ducks, Frederick Anderson. You know this is going to be nice. Oh, Dominion patch, auto rookie, numbered 175 out of 199. Congratulations. Again, that's the one thing I don't like about this product, is that there's not one Boston Bruin in that Dominion upgrade. But what can you do? And for the Ducks, back to back. It's 2 for Tuesday, guys. Hampus Lindholm. And that's your rookie selection. Auto. Numbered. 33 from 299. Whack, whack. Okay. For the Minnesota Wild, Johan Gustafsson. That's a hot rookie auto. Very nice. Spacer. Hot rookies for the Buffalo Sabres, Mark Fisk. And for the Winnipeg Jets and Luca Barry, we've got John Albert, select rookie. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Hot rookies, Chicago Blackhawks, Drew LeBlanc, the White. That's Duckfoot, of course. And we've got a Prism rookie, Anton Gilov. For the Oilers, is Duckfoot. And we got a couple of fatties here. Let's break open a fatty. We've got a Hot Rookies, Igor Bobkov for the Ducks. And it's not the card that you were looking for, but NS Framer 33. Welcome back, buddy. It is numbered 182 out of 199, but the name isn't quite the one that you wanted, I'm sure. But a very nice card. And that's a Rito Berra. It's got a Flames jersey, but as you can see, it's got the Avalanche logo. So that's where it goes. This one is super thick. Like supersized, man. Okay. There you go, for the Avs again. Back-to-back back-to-back Avs. So it's 2 for Tuesday for sure. It's Quebec Nordiques, and it's Michel Goulet, and it's numbered 131 of 199, and that's just a wicked piece of stick there. Very nice. Congratulations, NS Framer. And we've got rookie select for the Rangers, just in under the wire, of Connor Allen. And that goes out to Lonely Mad. And then we've got 2 base. So that's all she wrote. There you have it. Not sure when I'll have my next one up. It'll at least be, I know I'll have one probably Sunday night, so keep your eyes open. Till then, thank you for your bids, and happy bidding.